niguo maundu makuhanaga wabici-ini cia AFRICOG guku Nairobi thutha wa ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti kugeria gutharikira wabici cia gikundi giki. Igeria ria KHRC gutharikira AFRICOG niriringire ihiga thutha wa atongoria guikara mari cemba na mawakiri mao. John Githongo ni muikariri giti wa AFRICOG.
The documents that are here are confusing in that they don't seem to be very clear exactly what offense is being investigated vis-a-vis AFRICOG. So that causes us to question the entire expedition that we are seeing here with all these policemen and others.
Uria utumira ikundi itiganite gukirira thirikari ikiuga ikinya riu ni mugaru na watho.
And this is public information freely available from the Registry of Companies in the Office of the Registrar General. Mr. Fazul therefore exercises no authority over AFRICOG. He cannot direct AFRICOG or its directors to do anything, and his request and advice to the Directorate of Criminal Investigations and the Central Bank of Kenya respectively are worthless.
Further ordering the freezing of the petitioner's bank accounts is unconstitutional, null and void.
Uria thirikari iyukirie na yambiriria mihango ya guthondeka kamiti ya honge iria ihutanagia na wandikithia wa ikundi itari cia githirikari kurora uria ngahiha ino gatagati-ini ka ikundi icio na thirikari ingininwo. Kuringana na marua maria mandikirwo ikundi ici kuma kuri mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Karanja Kivisho ni yugite ikundi icio cieri ni ciagiriirwo ni kuruta mundu umwe o gikundi uria ugakorwo kamiti-ini iyo iria igakorwo na giikaro kiayo kia mbere muthenya wa rucio thaa 3 cia rucini. Hau kabere Minister wa ihinda wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i ni ekuritie mbondi ya kuramata ikundi icio itige gucitharikira. Kuringana na Isaac Akero ni ati Fazul Mohamed ndari na mahinya ma gukorwo agitunya marua honge ici cieri, akiuga mitaratara iria yagiriire ni fataire gukorwo ikihuthirwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.